O-B-E the kid. O-B-E the kid. O-B-E the kid. O-B-E the kid. Woo! O-B-E the kid. O-B-E the kid. Oh.
What's up, everybody? It's O-B-E the kid, also known as O-B. Also known, well, I'll let them say it. So.
Oh, the O-B-E part. The start.
I'm O.
Evan, do you want to be B or E?
B.
Okay. O-B-E.
Okay, think of one. You got one?
What's one that starts with O?
Oh, I'll say it when it's ready.
All right, but you have one in your brain? Okay. Do you have a B?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an E?
I want an E.
Okay.
I want a B.
Ready?
Quickly. Probably.
All right. Kezia, do you want to come up with an E word?
I have one.
Yeah. He already has one.
Okay.
I am Kezia.
Yes, you are.
Can I do the O-B-E the kid? Also known as O-B the kid. Also known as?
Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, this is O-B-E the kid. Also known as O-B the kid. Also known as?
Octopus. N-B.
No, what's your word?
Octopus. It's B. Octopus.
No, the whole word.
Uh-huh. B. And I think.
It's not a word.
Like
Like
a
a
bumblebee.
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 Oh, I thought you meant the letter B. It was like B. I was like, oh, that's one letter.
Guys, it's
B.
going.
And mine is ignorant. I mean elephant.
I
Elephant.
am.
It was actually Edberg, but either way.
And I'm with you. Let's do
Kezia,
let's present
All
each
right.
other.
All right. Wait. Back to the seats.
Close your eyes.
Okay,
Open
ready?
your hands.
So.
I think it's ready for present time.
All right. So. We did a box, and Funko Jones was nice enough to give us something, and got us some
Daddy, don't
hockey
show us.
sticks.
Hockey sticks! Wait, no. I thought you said hockey. And
No,
I said,
no.
yes,
Hockey?
hockey sticks.
There's only one, Daddy.
Yes, but you guys can share. Okay, wait, back.
Come on, Kezia. Close your eyes and open your hands.
Now, the thing that you guys are probably most interested in is this thing that says, for the kiddos. Who are the kiddos?
Us! Here, come here.
What?
Daddy, how about Daddy? Put it in one hand, and then when she's done with it, put it in another hand, and then...
All right.
Let's see what it
Let's
is.
Okay, close your eyes and open your hands, Lizzie.
Actually, I think
What?
you guys can open it together. Okay, we'll put it in the middle.
Which is... Yeah, open it. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
it's
no.
mine.
This is mine. Wait, no.
Rocket. Rocket. That is only 3.
There's 4.
4.
Which
What did
one?
everybody get?
Which one do you want? Donkey Kong or
Show it over here.
Blaster?
Show it. Come to Daddy's hand and show it.
Blaster?
I have this.
Blaster is fun.
Donkey
You can
Kong?
pretend it goes.
All right. Lucy, go over there and show it.
I'm opening mine.
I got a Mario hat one.
All right, wait, go back up. Go back over there. Go back over there. All right.
Evan's opening.
And what did everybody get? Lucy, what did you get?
I
Can I open mine?
a peach card. See?
Oh boy.
It shows you on the back too. Right there.
It does. All right, Evan, which one did you get?
This one. Let's open it.
Bring it over here. Bring it over here.
Blaster.
Can we open ours?
Yes.
Can I open mine, Daddy?
Sure, Kezia, which one did you get?
That was the only thing.
All right, show it over here. Show it over here.
Was that the only thing?
Show it to Daddy.
There's one more thing. This.
Oh boy, you
Open
got
it,
Donkey
guys.
Kong.
No, not
Wait, let's see what it says.
That one is for something later. It said something. Look, they had a sweet or sour, and this one's the or sour. We could try this stuff later because it's
What?
I don't care for sour.
Very sour stuff.
Can I try?
Maybe on a different video we could try it, okay?
Okay,
Sure.
Daddy.
All right.
Try some of this.
Not yet.
But are we gonna today?
Later. All right.
So this is my Mario car right here.
Come on, this is my pig. Do I ever help you?
Awesome.
Yeah. You look so good, right?
That looks super good. All right. Hey, what do we need to tell Funko Jones?
Thank you, Funko
This is the
Jonies.
best day of my life.
Thank you, Funko Jonies.
Yeah, but the microphone's over there.
This is the best.
Thank you, Funko Jonies.
Thank you. This is the best day of my life.
I love you, Funko Jonies.
You're the best.
Welcome back. Yeah. As I said, thank you, Funko Jones. Welcome to the new place. So, still in the process of working out what's going to go where. Got a lot of cool stuff to put on the wall. Of course, that's got to be on the wall. It just has to be. But when I was going through some boxes, I found that I had two. It's a short little video. I call them mystery minis. So, why not make a welcome to the new Kentucky house? I have some mystery minis. So, Office is an O, Retro Toys is an R. So O comes before R. So we're gonna see what Office Pop or Office Mini we got. Yeah, there's absolutely no way of saying who's who. Black hair. You got the 1 in 6 Michael Scott. World's best boss. I'm gonna go world's best. Putting her right here. It's on the desk. Along with the Handmade by Robot. Thanks, Brandy, for introducing me to these folks. Put them right over there. As well as this cool thing we found at the dollar store. It's an OB-GI Joe. See, look, it's bald, beard. Yeah. He knows. What was funny is he came with the helmet, but the helmet didn't fit his head. So you get when you go to a dollar store. So, we got I don't even know how many of these I have. That might be my first office pop. Not that kind. And Retro Toys. I've got a couple. Let's see how high up on the food chain we can go. I think it's a potato. It's a 1 in 12 Mrs. Potato Head. So, she's also going to go on the desk. Yeah, so, I mean, you see Mikey's toes. It's just hanging out. Yeah, so, more to follow. More crazy kid family shenanigans are on their way. Yeah, we're just settling in here. So, for you and yours, have yourself a good day, and I will see you when I see you. The world's best boss works here. Because I'm the only one working here. But I'm the world's best boss. Better believe that.